Let's now explore the benefits that PRINCE2 project management can provide you and your organization. PRINCE2 project management equips you with a comprehensive method for managing projects. As a professional, manager, or leader in any organization, being certified with PRINCE2 project management provides you with best-in-class knowledge and skills. This certification sets you apart, enabling you to enhance your resume, unlock new career opportunities, and achieve higher earnings. PRINCE2 project management gives you the right tools to drive organizational improvement and project excellence. This empowers you with strategic insights to foster innovation, drive change, and deliver impactful outcomes that align with the demands of modern business landscapes. The personal benefits of the PRINCE2 project management certification can support your career development in ways you might not have imagined. It could be your key to career advancement, enhanced skills, increased confidence and credibility, adaptability, and, most importantly, consistently achieving better project outcomes. Step forward as a certified PRINCE2 project management professional. Lead with authority, innovate with purpose, and excel in your journey towards a future of endless possibilities. PRINCE2 project management can also provide multiple key benefits for any organization. Through boosting your ability to adapt and flex to changing needs, PRINCE2 project management encourages the development of highly valued transferable skills. But don't just take our word for it. In fact, a 2020 Harvard Business School survey showed that 71% of 1,500 executives from more than 90 countries said adaptability was the most important quality they looked for in a leader. PRINCE2 project management is versatile and can be applied to various industries and project types. As a PRINCE2 project management qualified professional, you will have a common language to tackle diverse projects, making you an asset in any field.